Imagine waking up every morning, driving a luxury SUV, living in a beautiful house, and earning over $100,000 a year. From the outside, it looks like you've made it, but behind closed doors, the credit card is almost maxed out. The car payment is due next week, the mortgage takes a huge chunk of every paycheck, and if one paycheck disappears, everything starts falling apart. This isn't fiction. Millions of Americans earning six-figure salaries still live paycheck to paycheck. It's called lifestyle inflation. The more money they earn, the more money they spend. Now meet someone else. They earn much. They invest every month before spending. They avoid unnecessary debt. 10 years later, wealth isn't built by looking rich. It's built by keeping the gap between what you earn and what you spend. So before chasing a bigger salary, ask yourself one question. Am I increasing my income or just increasing my lifestyle? That answer could change your financial future forever.